winding down the line here. Second turn was big, it was nice and dusty to give Owen this wave. It's walling up down the line, nice backside floater. You're going to get busy here. You haven't seen Owen surf this inside section an awful lot this event. He's done the big moves out the back, but this time he's got the inside section. Pretty good score there for Taj. As you see White moving on down the line. This is Josh Kerr, a little snap there. Check turn. Nice turn there for the surfer in yellow. Goes for a big air reverse. It's a tricky one to negotiate. He's done well here, done really well. Unfortunately, couldn't complete that last manoeuvre. And now we're seeing Taj Burrow. He's in frame. Nice snap there for Taj, floating. He's in a lot of good rhythm here. Goes in the air, he completes it. There you go, Taj is back. Another snap off the top there. Another little blast. And nice snap there. A lot of speed. Look at him go. He's got a lot of speed here. Moving through the inside. He's thinking one thing. Here he goes. Big alley-oop. Oh, somehow ripping that one out.
I'd like to know on right. He needs to convert something. He's got a good section ahead of him. We're in fine floating.
This is White. Moving down the line. Good look away for you for Josh Kerr. Floating. Getting a section to work with. A slash in the pocket. Oh, yeah, no doubt. Good look away for you for Taj Burrow. Nice manoeuvre there. Coming around the section. Slides to the tail in the pocket. Up again. Just somehow sticking with this wave all the way through the inside. He's got a section to work with. A big layback gap there from Taj Burrow. So now we've got Owen Wright up and riding out the back. A great exchange underway. Taj kicked out. Owen Wright is still moving on down the line.
Very similar ride that we just saw go down. Josh Kerr, he's not finished yet either. He's in second.
Wright is about to stroke in. We're counting it down in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here he goes. Last throw of the dice here for Owen Wright. Moving on down the line. It needs a near perfect score. Nice snap there. He's got to pull off something really big. I don't think he's going to do so. About to get locked in. There it is. It looks as though it will be a 3-point, a mid-range 3. So it looks like unofficially first position.